they call this place helipad. You can see the mountains in 360 degrees. So this is it. Yo!
Helipad.
Here's my bike. Yes. Yeah, this is it. So that's it. That's 360. The last mountain that we saw is Mount Arayat.
Pwede. Nasa sa'yo yan. Nasa sa'yo yan. Pwede.